Hi, my name is Sujoy Sankar Sen, and I've been working with this organization Control Print Limited for the past 11 years. I have joined this company before the start of this our Guwahati plant. So I know every brick and mortar that has been placed here. Basically, I'm looking after the supply chain department, that is inward and outward, primarily focusing on the dispatches because quantity of dispatches is more. I am also looking after the import and export formalities. The section that you're looking at right behind me, this is the dispatch section where the finished goods that they say, the FG materials, they come from the manufacturing unit and they are stored here. Based on the invoices, they will pick up the materials. Primarily identification is the SKU and the batch number. We are dispatching consumables, we are dispatching filter kit, we are dispatching printers, and also we are dispatching ink rolls and other things. Some customers are requiring printers for new installation. Some have already installed their printers and they will be requiring the consumables. So after the invoices are prepared, the materials are picked, kept in a pallet for the transporter. So after the tagging is done and the quality check is complete, we pack it in corrugated boxes like this, which you are seeing right behind me. And after the packaging, I put an identification mark for the courier partners to know, like we mentioned the invoice number, we mentioned the name of the client who is going to receive the materials, and based on that the courier partners do their activity. They put on their own labels. We also put our labels wherever required, like if the item is fragile in nature, then we put some fragile sticker so that everybody knows that it is fragile in nature, then it may be brittle also. Then we hand over the materials to our courier partners. They load it as per the invoices and take it for dispatches.
We are Control Print, India's own coding and marking equipment manufacturer.